thanks for joining me for today's short scale study. Today we're going to focus on building our tone and our technique in the key of concert G minor. To begin, let's review the names of the notes that we're going to need in concert G minor so that we can have accuracy and success. So we're going to start by needing the note G in fourth position, then A in second position, B flat in first position, and C in sixth position. We're going to finish up our series of notes with D in fourth position. So those are the 5 notes for concert G minor. Let's start with number 1, minor 5's quarter notes. My metronome is set at 60 beats per minute. 1, 2, fourth position G. If you made an error and maybe played your A natural in third position, rewind and fix it. Rewind back to number 1 and play that A natural where it needs to be in second position. Now let's do number 2, minor 5's eighth notes. 1 and 2 and ready and go. Next up, we play that series of notes in the pattern of thirds. 1, 2, ready, and go. How'd you do? Were you able to play following the recommended breath marks? I hope so. If not, rewind back and try it. See if you can go 2 measures without taking a breath. Now let's work on our tonguing technique with the next example, expanding intervals. 1 and 2 and ready and go. Our last example of the study is the example at the bottom of our page, and we're going to focus on using a steady tempo again, 60 beats per minute. And I recommend that for all of my scale study works here in the basic scale study section, as well as you want to make sure that you're always focusing on listening. Am I playing with the best tone that I can at the moment? And that's what should be a goal, is to always play with your best tone and then the solid, steady tempo that you possibly can. Here we go, last one. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. that's our scale study today for the key of concert, G minor. I hope this has been helpful, and I hope you've enjoyed playing along. please consider doing some of the other scale studies in our series, move on to the advanced scale studies, and even try out a lesson book study. So as I always say, I hope to see you back here again really soon, and keep practicing.